Okay viewers, today I am going to present exist exam question and answers on theme 1. Theme 1 include introduction to management, principles of marketing and international marketing. The direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. Which leadership approach is most effective in fostering employees' innovation in a dynamic market environment? A. Transformational leadership. B. Transactional leadership. C. Autocratic leadership. D. Laissez-faire leadership. The answer for this question is A. Transformational leadership. Question number 2. If a manager consistently fails to adapt strategies in response to market trends, which managerial function is being neglected? A. Controlling. B. Planning. C. Staffing. D. Leading. The answer for this question is D. Planning. Question number 3. In a multinational company, which orientation would best balance local responsiveness with global integration? A. Ethnocentric. B. Polycentric. C. Geocentric. D. Regiocentric. The answer for this question is C. Geocentric. Question number 4. A marketing firm wants to encourage self-managed teams. Which organizational structure is most suitable? A. Line structure. B. Functional structure. C. Matrix structure. D. Divisional structure. The answer for this question is C. Matrix structure. Question number 5. A manager delegates tasks without clear communication of responsibilities. What negative outcome they result? A. Enhance innovation. B. Better time management. C. Confusion and accountability issue. D. Faster decision making. The answer for this question is C. Confusion and accountability issues. Question number 6. Which scenario best exemplifies the principle of unity of direction? A. All departments follow a unified marketing objective. B. Each employee has multiple supervisors. C. Tasks are performed based on convenience. D. No formal structure exists. The answer for this question is A. All departments follow a unified marketing objectives. Question number 7. Which of the following most reflect theory-wide assumption about employees? A. Workers dislike work and avoid responsibility. External controls are necessary for productivity. C. Employees enjoy work and are self-directed. D. Managers should closely supervise tasks. The answer for this question is C. Employees enjoy work and are self-directed. Question number 8. A firm shifts from product orientation to market orientation. What change will most likely occur? A. Increase in production efficiency. B. Focus on customer satisfaction. C. Standardization of products. D. Reduction in customer engagement. The answer for this question is B. Focus on customer satisfaction. Question number 9. Which marketing mix decision would most directly influence how easily a customer can purchase a product? A. Promotion. B. Product. C. Price. D. Place. The answer for this question is B. Place. Question number 10. What is the primary goal of performance appraisal in marketing management? A. Punish underperformers. B. Assess and develop employee performance. C. Reduce workforce size. D. Eliminate weak departments. The answer for this question is B. Assess and develop employee performance. Question number 11. How does SWOT analysis contribute to effective strategic planning in marketing? A. It increases product shelf life. B. It encourages impulsive decisions. C. Identify internal strengths and external threats. D. It focuses only on financial data. The answer for this question is C. It identifies internal strengths and external threats. Question number 12. Which step is most critical when evaluating effectiveness of a new market strategy? A. Product design. B. Feedback and control system. C. Sales pitch. D. Employee hiring. The answer for this question is B. Feedback and control system. Question number 13. Why, mate? Democratic leadership improves team performance in marketing departments. A. It reduces employees' feedback. B. It allows centralized decision only. C. It fosters participation and collaboration. D. It minimizes team interaction. The answer for this question is C. It fosters participation and collaboration. Question number 14. Which of the following is a disadvantage of a narrow span of control? A. high administrative costs. B. Better supervision. C. Faster decision making. D. Reduced bureaucracy. The answer for this question is A. High administrative costs. Question number 15. A manager ignores environmental scanning while planning. What is the likely outcome? A. More responsive strategies. B. Strategic misalignment. C. Increased market share. D. Improved employee engagement. The answer for this question is B. Strategic misalignment. Question number 16. Why is the control function critical to effective management? A. It ensures that actual performance aligns with goals. B. It eliminates the need for planning. C. It decentralizes all decision making. D. It replaces leadership functions. The answer for this question is A. It ensures that actual performance aligns with goal. Question number 17. A company invests in developing new customers' experiences. What marketing concept is it applying? A. Production concept. B. Selling concept. C. Marketing concept. D. Societal concept. The answer for this question is C. Marketing concept. Question number 18. In contingency theory, what determines the appropriate management style? A. Tradition. B. Situation specific variables. C. Company hierarchy. D. Employee performance. Employee preference. The answer for this question is B. Situation specific variables. Question number 19. A marketing team identify a drop in customer satisfaction. Which strategic tool would help diagnose the cause? A. SWOT analysis. B. Delegation chart. C. Budget report. D. Span of control analysis. The answer for this question is A. SWOT analysis. Question number 20. A manager empowers employees and encourages them to take initiative. Which leadership style is being demonstrated? A. Transformational. B. Autocratic. C. Bureaucratic. D. Passive. The answer for this question is A. Transformational. Question number 21. What could be the risk of centralizing all marketing decisions in headquarters? A. Increased local responsiveness. B. Faster feedback from regional office. C. Lack of market adaptation in different regions. D. Higher employee satisfaction. The answer for this question is C. Lack of market adaptation in different regions. Question number 22. How does this decentralization enhance in marketing operations? A. Reduces decision quality. B. Speed up local decision making. C. Eliminates accountability. D. Centralized authority. The answer for this question is B. Speed up local decision making. Question number 23. Which factor would most likely improve brand loyalty among customers? A. Consistent customer engagement and value delivery. B. High production volume. C. Internal marketing policies. D. Employee incentives. The answer for this question is A. Consistent customer engagement and value delivery. Question number 24. How can an organization use goal setting theory to improve sales performance? A. Set extremely high and unrealistic goal. B. Set specific, challenging but attainable goals. C. Avoid setting individual targets. D. Reward only top performers. The answer for this question is B. Setting specific, challenging and attainable goals. Question number 25. A manager chooses to use laissez-faire leadership. What is the most likely challenge? A. Increased control. B. Lack of guidance and coordination. C. High employment innovation. D. Quick decision making. The answer for this question is B. Lack of guidance and coordination. This is all about question and answer on Team 1. Thank you viewers for attending this program.